So yeah, hi everyone, welcome back to our daily LeetCode challenge series. So today is day 18 and today we are going to solve LeetCode problem 171, Excel sheet column numbers. So it is quite similar to the yesterday's problem. So the thing is, in the previous problem statement, like we have given this number and we have to find the exact column name. Now this is the vice versa, like we are giving the column name and we have to give the return the column number. So like similar way, if I'll show you the example. So this is the Excel sheet. So here previously we were getting this value and we have to tell this value, the string value. Now as of now, like we are getting in this question this string value column name. Now we have to tell the exact number of that column. Okay, so let's see the example. So as I told, like we are getting the column name, we have to return the column number. So it will be like just reverse case we have to do here. What we can do here is like we'll take one integer for our answer. We'll make it as 0 by default and we'll run our loop from end I start from 0, I less than till column title dot length, okay, and I plus plus. So we'll increase and we'll check every column one, every character number one. So in order to take the character, we have to convert at the same time to our integer value to that character. So what we can do is whatever we have currently result, we'll multiply it by 26 because we have the 26 character, and in order to get the current character number column, so what we can do is so we'll fetch the character using string dot char@, okay, and add that indexed, and what we will do, we will minus with our capital A, and as it should always start from 1 as here it is shown, so that's why I'm using +1, so it will return 1 in that case, right? So it will run till all the characters. Now simply here we will return our answer at last. Let's see. So yeah, our test cases passed. We'll submit and see all other test cases. Okay, so it accepted all the test cases. 1002 got passed. Fine. So here if we talk about the time complexity, as we are looping till the length of the column title, so it will be big of n, and like a space complexity we are using a constant variable, so it will be big of 1. Yeah, that's all. So we'll see you next video. Bye.